Are you struggling to find ways to pay for your studies? You've come to the right place if you are. Hi, I'm Shakira from Careers Portal, and in this video we'll look at 4 ways to finance your studies, particularly if you don't qualify for NSFAS funding. The government funding agency NSFAS will help many thousands of students pursue their academic goals this year. However, not everyone was lucky enough to qualify. If your family income is too high to qualify for NSFAS funding, it doesn't mean that your family has lots of spare cash and can easily pay for you to attend college or varsity. You aren't alone in this problem. You form part of the missing middle. People whose families earn too much to qualify for NSFAS support, but still don't have enough money to pay for you to attend college or varsity. Well, if you are struggling to find a way to pay those application fees, never mind the actual study fees, here are 4 funding channels you should consider. First, bursaries. A bursary is a financial award granted to a student on the basis of the student's financial neediness or academic performance. Bursaries and other financial aid initiatives are offered by government departments, companies, and private sponsors to provide young people with the opportunity to study at a higher education facility. Each bursary has its own unique set of requirements, which means beneficiaries are selected according to the criteria established by the sponsor. This might be based on previous disadvantage, the inability to pay, academic performance, or the field of study. We have a whole website dedicated to all the bursaries that are available in South Africa. You can have a look at www.bursaries.portal.co.za, and hopefully you'll find something that will be suitable for you. Second, there's Phoenix. Phoenix is a crowdfunding initiative created by Standard Bank to help young people access funding for their studies. The project is aimed at providing sponsorship to underprivileged youth through anonymous donors. Anyone can obtain funding through Phoenix because there are no academic requirements. However, only registered students can participate. We've got full details about Phoenix on the Skills Portal website. Click on the link in the description box below, which will take you directly to the article on everything you need to know about Phoenix. Third on our list is Fundi. Previously known as Loan, Fundi is a financial solutions company which specializes in student finance. Students can receive monetary support through educational funding, cashless transaction solutions, bursary fund administrations, and bursary support. Fundi covers students in every sphere of learning, from short courses to MBA and postgraduate studies. They are especially focused on the children of government employees, so if your parents work for any government department, this is definitely for you. The company also makes provision for every area of the student's life and is able to cover tuition, registration fees, outstanding balances, laptops, textbooks, study tools, accommodation, and more. For more information, click on the link in the description box below for full details on Fundi's offerings. The 4th option that you must consider is student loans. This might not be your first option, but study loans can provide a good solution to your financial problems. All of South Africa's major banks offer student loans, both to South Africans and to non-South Africans with valid study permits. Unlike NSFAS funding, bank loans will also cover studies at a private institution. When applying for a bank loan, a parent or guardian will be required to sign surety for the student. Every bank has a different repayment condition, so find out when you will need to pay back your loan and what the interest rate will be before you sign on the dotted line. Usually you or your parents will just have to pay back the interest on the loan while you are studying. When you have finished studying, you are given a few months to find a job, and then you'll be expected to start paying back the actual loan. So those are the 4 options that are available to you if you haven't qualified for a NSFAS loan. In the modern workplace, there's more demand than ever for qualified workers with degrees and diplomas. So the trouble and effort that you go through now, and even the debt that you incur, should pay off in the long run. It is very likely to open doors to better paying jobs in the future. We hope you found this video helpful. If you have any more questions about funding for your studies, please post your questions in the comment section below. We'd love to hear from you. And don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. See you next time.